Hi everybody, it's Jim Rothstein here with What's Up Fishkill, and today we're talking with Danielle Place of Peak Construction. Hey Danielle.
Hi.
Uh, Danielle, tell us a little bit about Peak Construction. What's the business all about?
Sure. Peak Construction has been located in Fishkill. We just celebrated our 25-year anniversary this past June. Woohoo! And the company is owned by Bill Metzger, and he started the company 25 years ago. So Peak Construction offers a wide range of services, from construction services to emergency insurance work as well.
So Danielle, what's the difference between your construction services and your emergency services?
Sure. Construction services, we are doing repairs, remodeling, additions, new construction, residential and commercial. And then the insurance and restoration side of it is anything that happened to your home sudden and incidental, such as a tree falling on your roof, burst pipes, fires, floods, mold, asbestos, and things of that nature.
So the mold and asbestos, you do full remediation there?
We do.
Excellent. Okay. Danielle, that's great. Now, how long have you been doing this, and what's your role within the company?
Sure. I've been with Peak Construction about 6 years now, and my role is basically the business development, outside marketing, public relations part of it. And it's awesome. I love being out and about and meeting new people on a daily basis. It's great.
And what is it that you love most about your job?
Aside from meeting new people and things, I have to say that it's making people happy. So whether somebody's coming to us for a new kitchen, their dream kitchen, or an addition, putting on an addition for their mother, and see them going through the process, and then their final product in the end makes them happy. Insurance-wise, nobody wants anything bad to happen to them, but if it does, I want to see them also through the process of putting them back together again.
Great. It sounds like an awesome job for you. And I know that everything that I've heard about your company is amazing. Is there anything we left out, like perhaps snow plowing?
We do, if you live in Fishkill, we do commercial plowing. So that's one of our services this year. That's really new. So give us a shout.
Great. So once again, Peak Construction, located here on Old Route 9 in Fishkill, New York. Thanks so much.
Thank you.